Regina from Pampered Soaps, back to you today with another video. Today I'm going to make our rose sugar scrub. I have my rose petals right here. I have to actually grind these up, so I will grind these up off camera, but I'll just show you. I have those right there. I have my coconut oil here. I have my sugar mixed up with some rose hip herbs here, which is really good for mature skin, so we're going to mix that in as well. So I'm going to go off camera for a moment and grind up these petals a little bit before I add them to the sugar. And I will be right back, so stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, everyone, we are back. I have grinded up my rose petals. Just throw my other glove on here before I make a mess everywhere. Okay, all right, so I got a bigger bowl and we're gonna go ahead and start adding these ingredients now. As always, you know we bring these videos to you every Saturday of how to do homemade soaps and herbal medicines, candles, and today we're doing a scrub. So we're a new channel. Please like, comment below, subscribe if you like what you see and you like to see more of these every week. We really appreciate it. All right, so we are going to go ahead and add this in here. Add my rose petals. Put that to the side. I don't grind them up till they're really fine. I really just kind of grind them up just a little bit because once I get all the ingredients in here, they'll be mixed up pretty good. All right, so I'll show this to you here in a moment. I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar with the rose hip herbs in there as well. And I do this just a little bit at a time. I don't just throw it all in there at once. All right, so I'm just throwing a little bit in there. And we're going to throw some more. Okay. Let me just mix this up. Smells good already, and we don't have any oils or anything in it. If you guys like to check out us on social media, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Pampered Soaps. We're also online at pamperedsoaps.com. So if you get a chance, please check us out. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add some more. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of vitamin E. I am big on vitamins in everything that we do, so I'm always putting some kind of vitamins into our products, especially something like this. All right. I'm also going to add some rose water to this. Rose water is very good astringent, especially for something that you're going to put on your face like a scrub or even a mask. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And I always start with 2 dropperfuls here. There we go. Smells just like roses. All right, I'm going to go ahead and mix that in really good. And make sure you guys can see this on camera as I'm doing it, because you can't see into this big bowl. So that's what it looks like right now. Make sure you can see that. You come on the other side of the camera here. Yeah, you can see. So that's what it looks like right now. And I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut oil is one of the last things I do. So we're going to go ahead and add some more of this sugar and rose hips. Now that's all finished. And we're going to mix that up some more. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. And I have my container here ready to go as well. Okay. All right, so now just going to add a little bit of coconut oil. Here we go. And get that mixed up with my hands. Now, everybody I know does their sugar scrubs a little differently for consistency. I like it to be a little thick, but not too watery. I want it to be able to go on the face real smooth. So that's how I like to do mine. All right, let's finish pouring that up there. Especially if you're shipping this off, because you know it sits and then it starts to settle. So in certain circumstances like that, what I like to do is I will add more coconut oil if it's something I know I'm going to ship off for an order or something like that. All right. So everything looks really good and mixed up. There we go. And this can also be good for, it's not just a face scrub, it's good for a lip scrub too. I know a lot of times I have customers ask me separately for a lip scrub, but it's really, really good. The ingredients that we put in here, it works well for your lips, it works good for your face. It also works well for a body scrub. So, all right, there we go. Looks like it's all mixed up. Let me test it out a little bit. Okay, beautiful. I always test it in my hand. I can always tell how oily it is. Make sure it's not too oily. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just not a lot of oil. So that's how I do it. That's my test. I can tell. My gloves are really, really shiny. Then it's too much. This is perfect. All right, so now this one, because of the rose water and it has a scent, it doesn't need any fragrance or essential oils or anything in it like that. So I don't put anything else in it. It smells like a garden of roses right now just because of the rose water. And just take our container right here, and we're going to go ahead and just put that in there. There you go. Try to pack it nice and neat. Okay. Then I have to clean this off, of course, but just to give you an idea. Okay, so make sure you can see that. I'm going to come on the other side of the camera. That's what it looks like. All right, so that's the finished scrub right there. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to leave that right there, and then we'll make a couple more. All right, so that is our how-to for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, if you like seeing these kind of videos, please subscribe, like, comment below. We really appreciate that. I'm going to take these gloves off now so I can put the camera off. And we'll be back next week with another fun how-to for you. Until then, be blessed.